Good morning students. Today we are going to start chapter number 6, political parties from political science. In this chapter we will discuss why do we need political parties, functions of political parties, how many parties should we have, national parties and state parties, challenges to political parties, how can party be reformed? First topic of this chapter, why do we need political parties? A political party is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. They agree on some policies and programs for the society with a view to promote the collective good. Parties reflect fundamental political division in a society. Thus, a party is known by which parties it stands for, which policies it supports, and whose interest it upholds. A political party has the three components. First is leaders, second the active members, and third followers. Next, functions of political parties. Parties contest elections. Parties put forward different policies and programs and the vote choose from them. Parties play a decisive role in making laws for a country. Parties form the run governments. Those parties that lose in the election play the role of opposition to the parties in a power by voicing different views and criticizing the government for its failure or wrong policies. Parties shape public opinion. Parties provide people access to government machinery and welfare scheme implemented by government. How many political parties should we have? In a democracy, any group of citizens is free from political parties. In India, more than 750 parties are registered with the Election Commission of India. But not all these parties are serious contenders in the elections. So the question then, how many major or effective parties are good for democracy? In some countries, only one party is allowed to control and run the government. These are called one party system. This system is not considered as a good option for democracy. Second point, in some countries, power usually changes between the two main parties. Such a party system is called a two-party system or bi-party system. Example, United States of America and United Kingdom. If several parties compete the power and more than two parties have a reasonable chance of coming to power either on their own strength or in alliance with others, it is called multi-party system. Example, India. When several parties in a multi-party system join hands for the purpose of contesting election and winning power, it is called a alliance or a front. Yes, next topic, national parties. What is national party? Every party in the country has to register with the election commission. It offers some special facility for large and established parties. The election commission has laid down detailed criteria of the proportion of votes and seats that a party must get in order to be a recognized party. a party that secure at least 6% of the total votes in an election to the legislative assembly of a state and win at least 2 seats is recognized as a state party. A party that secure at least 6% of the total votes in Lok Sabha election or assembly election in 4 states and win at least 4 seats in the Lok Sabha is recognized as a national party. Major national party in India according to 2018. There were 7 recognized national party in our country. Here are the detail of these parties. First is All India Tribunal Congress, AITC. First point of this first party, launched on 1st January 1998 under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee, recognized as a national party in 2016. The party's symbol is flower and grass. Committed to secularism and federalism, has been in power in West Bengal since 2011 and has a presence in Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur and Tripura. In the general election held in 2014, it got 3.84% votes and won 34 seats, making it that 4th largest party in the Lok Sabha. Major national party in India, Bahujan Samaj Party, BSP, formed in 1984 under the leadership of Kanchiram, seeks to represent and secure power for the Bahujan Samaj, which includes the Dalit, Adivasis, OBCs and religious minorities, stands for the cause of securing the interests and welfare of the Dalits and oppressed people. It has its main base in the state of Uttar Pradesh and substantial presence in neighboring states like Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand, Delhi and Punjab. Formed government in UP several times by taking the support of different parties at different times. Third number party, Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, founded in 1980, formed by Sama Prasad Mukherjee in 1951. Wants to build a strong and modern India by drawing inspiration from India's ancient culture and values and Deen Dayal Upadhyay's idea of integral humanism and Antyodaya. Cultural nationalism or Hindutva is an important element in its conception of India, nationhood and politics. Earlier limited to north and west and to urban areas, the party expanded its support in the south, east and northeast and to rural area. Emerged as a large party with 282 members in 2014 Lok Sabha election. Next political party we will discuss in next video. Thank you.